Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the block devices you will use and why each is needed. This avoids accidental data loss. Once confirmed, make a quick verifiable backup of any critical volumes because restoring is costly. Make sure you have the right credentials and CLI tools installed. Without them, you cannot proceed. Begin with the primary device. Check its UUID and health status so later steps reference stable identifiers rather than ephemeral names. You now create file systems or logical mappings, and this is where choices matter for performance. Pick XFS for large files, ext4 for compatibility. Once formatted, use LVM or your storage target to combine or thin provision blocks. This gives flexibility and snapshots later. After mapping, mount a test path and exercise reads /rights to validate I/O. Make sure to update fstab or auto-mount entries. So you finish by validating behavior under load and confirming the setup meets requirements. Run sequential and random I/O tests and tweak chunk or stripe sizes to optimize throughput. Then enable monitoring and alerts and schedule snapshots or replications so data is protected. Finally, document the exact device mappings, retention settings, and recovery steps so anyone can restore service. If mounting fails, check UUID mismatches first. Remount by UUID and revisit fstab entries to correct common errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.